Hi friends, how are you? So friends, today we are going to grow these pistachio seeds. Here, this is the pot in which we are growing these pistachio seeds. And this is cocoa peat and this is perlite. First, we will mix this growing media. Mix well this cocoa peat and perlite are growing pistachio seed. This is the good growing media for seedling. As you can see, it's mixed well. Now and here the pot is ready to grow pistachio seed. Now remove the shell and put these seeds in cocoa peat. We will grow 8 seeds, then we will see how many seeds will germinate and grow. Some seed we will grow with shell like this, and we will grow some seed with shell like this. And now cover this seed and sprinkle some water, then wait for the result. Here now little bit sprinkle little bit water, and now will we wait for the result.